Most people think emotional blackmail is loud, obvious, and dramatic, but the truth is, the most dangerous version is silent. It looks like love, sounds like care, and feels like loyalty until you realize every decision you make is no longer yours. In the next few minutes, you will learn exactly how people control your emotions without you noticing, and how to break out before your mind becomes someone else's property. Emotional blackmail happens when someone uses your guilt, fear, or love to control your choices. And the scary part? They don't need to shout. They just need to make you feel responsible for their emotions. It usually begins subtly. They say things like, "I guess I just don't matter," or "If you cared about me, you would do this." These sentences sound harmless, but they are psychological traps designed to program your behavior. The first sign of emotional blackmail is fear-based compliance. You start doing things not because you want to, but because you're scared of how they'll react if you don't. You stop speaking freely. You start calculating every word. Your world becomes a mental battlefield where every choice feels dangerous. The second sign is guilt conditioning. They make you feel guilty for having boundaries, priorities, or needs. You say no, and suddenly you're the villain. You focus on their reaction so much that you forget your own emotional well-being. This is how manipulators build control, by making you believe your happiness must come second. The third sign is emotional threats. They imply they'll leave you, get hurt, or collapse without you. They weaponize your empathy, and once you feel responsible for their life, they own your freedom. But the biggest trap of all? Selective affection. One moment they're cold, distant, dismissive. The next moment, they're warm, loving, and caring. This push-pull cycle creates emotional addiction. Your brain craves their approval because you never know when you'll get it again. This makes their love feel like a reward, and your obedience feel like the price. So how do you escape emotional blackmail? It starts with clarity. Remember, you are not responsible for someone else's reactions. Their anger is their emotion. Their sadness is their emotion. Their disappointment is their emotion. And none of it should be used as a weapon against you. Set boundaries without apology. Repeat your decisions without guilt. And when someone threatens to leave because you didn't obey, let them. Because here is the final truth. Anyone who needs to control your emotions to stay in your life should not be in your life at all. You don't break emotional blackmail by fighting them. You break it by choosing yourself. If this hit you even a little, imagine what's coming next. Follow now so you never miss the truth you were meant to hear.